Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to use picture frame and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, if you want to get picture frame, you need to go to the props shop and then you can buy the picture frame crate and you can open the crate, and after that you will be able to get picture frame, either small, big or medium. And I've already opened the picture frame crate, and if we want to use it, we can go to the build menu and then we're going to tap on build and select the picture frame, and then you can place the picture frame to anywhere that you want. I'm going to place it on this tree. Okay, and then we can edit the image ID, and I'm just going to put random ID and I hope that it will create something. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, when you put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you will get this image, and you can try another ID guys. It will be random I guess, but yeah, just edit it. Okay, oh, I got nothing. Okay, just like this. I think there will be a code or ID for specific picture, but I'm still looking for it. But for me, when I enter this ID, I'll get this one, this picture. Okay, I'm gonna search for the ID guys, and I will tell you after I find the ID. Oh, nothing. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the picture frame in Grow a Garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!